All right, boys, we're at Rockingham Dragway. I'm Turbo John, and we're in the pit of Ira, Boost Doctor. Y'all have seen this car. This car has been out forever. It's fast. It's a LS motor, little teeny LS motor. Actually, I don't know how big it is. I ain't gonna lie to you. But he's got a new ride, Slingblade. This is his first outing with Slingblade. Let's see if we can get him to talk to us and tell us what it is. It's crazy. All right, so here's Boost Doctor. If y'all don't know Ira, y'all ain't been racing a long time. He started off on the little wheels, and now he's on big wheels. Boost Doctor, Ira, what's up, man?
What's going on, man? Man, we here at Carolina versus the world today, man, and we got the debut of Slingblade right here. Most of you, y'all know Luke Cage. Most of you know Luke Cage.
Luke Cage has been out a while. It's just a little.
It's been out a while.
Just now. It's just a little basic LS motor.
Yeah, LS.
Fast.
Turbo.
Now he's quick. These are what, 28s?
These are 26s.
26s. He's running two. Let's go look at Slingblade.
This car, 8-second car on hard tires. 8-second quarter mile on hard tires.
And he really upset the world about 2 years ago when 1320 showed his times.
Yeah.
He upset the world. I mean, they were mad. They were mad. Now they're gonna be real mad though, ain't they?
Oh yeah.
Let's go. So what year model is this one?
I mean, this based on a 2000.
2000 Trans Am.
Trans Am, man. We got the 24-inch Rucci's on here. You know, it's a full tube car. You know what I'm saying? We got a big block with twins on it.
Whoa, what? Hold on. Did you say a big block with twins? What?
Yes,
Ira, that ain't fair.
I said I wasn't gonna show nobody till we debuted the car, man. But you know me, man. I take my hood off in front of anybody.
That's
man.
right.
I don't care.
They gotta beat you. They
gotta beat you.
They gotta beat you. Dude, a big block. How many cubic inches is this one?
It's 500.
500 cubic inches, twin what, 80s, 88s, 98s?
I don't
Good
really want
Lord,
to
look.
disclose that, man. I don't really want to disclose
Look,
that.
he's got them tucked up under there too.
GTR 400.
Look, you can't even see him. Look, he done hit him back there.
Yeah.
But look, big block, 500 cubic inch, Big Block Chevrolet. Is this
Yeah.
your first big block? No, back in the day.
Well, this is my first one that I've owned. I've built several of them, but
Doo-Doo Brown had a big block at one time,
it
didn't
was
it?
always small block.
Oh, that was always small block.
Always
So
small
Ira
block.
is OG, like blow-through carburetor, Doo-Doo
Yes,
Brown,
sir. Yes,
79
sir.
Camaro.
Turbo Mustang days.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, back in the day. Wow, this is impressive, man.
Yeah, well, you know, with Luke Cage, you know, it's all still on glass, and the guys were starting to build cars like this in the class I was running in. So
Right.
I was like, man, because I was running it on 24 slicks. So I said, I'm going to go back to hard tires on that and build a 24 slick car. So this is what I came up with.
Man, I'm digging it. You got, I mean, I hear it all the time, step up or step out. You stepped up.
Yep.
You said if you got to run with them, I mean, you're going to build something similar to what they got.
Yes, sir.
So this thing is going to be gangster. So first,
Cause, you know, I did well with that car. I did very well with it. But, you know, whatever edge I got in racing, I want to be able to apply it to something. I don't want to be already behind, and
No,
then
that's right.
I got to use all my knowledge and everything just to keep up. I'd rather have something like they got,
That's right.
and then apply the knowledge that I have.
the 30 years of racing experience is important, but still, if your equipment is behind, you're
you gotta have
behind.
the equipment, yeah.
That's right. So this is going, man, I'm impressed. I mean, this thing, I've seen a few pictures of it here and there that you've been sharing, and I'm glad I got to come down here and check it out. You built it all yourself. I mean,
I bought the roller, but
Right.
this car was it was extended 12 inches. I put it back stock wheelbase.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, so I wanted to look, you know, as normal as possible.
No, that's right. And then when the hood's on it, shoot, it probably, look, it's just got a little teeny hole in the hood. Looks like a normal race car, which it is, except it's on big wheels.
Yeah.
I don't know if he's going to ever share the times with this one. I mean, he's just debuted today. So burnout, some 330 passes, maybe an 8th mile pass.
Yeah, I did the 8, but I ain't got a lot of boost on it. But it's still running very impressive numbers for the boost that I got on it right now.
Man, them big blocks. I just went big block
I
live
know,
too.
man. I couldn't believe it.
Dude, it is unbelievable, ain't it?
I couldn't believe it.
The big block life is crazy. All right, man, we're going to try to get some videos of it. Go check out all his Instagram stuff, Facebook, YouTube. Boost Doctor is all you got to look at.
On everything.
It's on everything. And he's got that name because he's been the Boost Doctor forever. All right, later, man. Appreciate it. right, here we go. Slingblade, Boost Doctor, premiere. It's the first time he's had it out. Big D Media's out here too. Check him out, check him out. He's posting all the time on YouTube. Maurice is out here too. Ndacut. A bunch of YouTubers out here. There'll be a bunch of videos for you guys that want to watch some good drag racing from this event. About to touch my shoe. All right, knocking the tire off a little bit. Like I said, this is his first time out with a bunch of people. He's had it out a couple times. Looking forward to seeing that thing go fast.